Hey guys, it's me, Robert. I'm back, but this time I'm not going to be doing stuff about me. We're going to do nerf guns. Well, just these two. So, if anything, I think, I don't know what I did with my little dart hat, but if anything, I'm going to pause. I'll show you some. Okay, took me a little bit, but here we are. I have them both caught. So, it's in the video, so my hand looks real close. So, I don't have a target right yet. So, I have it aiming at my car. Boom. That comes up. And I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is the jolt. And I'm watching this as I video it. I don't know what this is called, but it's a Nerf Strike Elite, Strike Elite. And then the back just comes up. And if y'all don't have this, takes 2 AAA batteries at the bottom and has a laser. That'll be it till I get more Nerf guns. Bye, boy.